Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can update your Google Chrome browser on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So updating your Google Chrome browser, this will help you if your Google Chrome browser is facing any issues or problems. Updating it can also be one of the helpful fixes to solve the issue. So let's bring up our Google Chrome browser first. In the Windows search bar, type here Chrome. Or if you have that in your desktop, just simply click on the Google Chrome icon and then the Google Chrome window will appear. So here in this window, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Now click on that. It's also the same process for your mobile phone. Now simply scroll down and you will find this settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now you have to click on that. Then here in the settings of your Google Chrome browser on the left pane, simply scroll down and you'll find this About Chrome. Click on that. So once you click on About Chrome, this will update your Google Chrome browser. So it's currently 66% in the updating process. Nearly up to date, relaunch Chrome to finish updating. Now click on relaunch. Then now Chrome is up to date. So this is how you can update your Google Chrome browser. Just click on About Chrome on the left pane and then this will automatically update your Google Chrome browser. So in some cases, if updating your Google Chrome browser helped you in fixing the issue, well, good. But if not, then what you can do is you need to reinstall the application into your Windows. So let me show you. This is a sort of some ways if updating your Chrome browser doesn't help you in fixing any issues that you are facing with the Chrome browser, then uninstalling it and reinstalling it again into your Windows can be or could be the very best way to fix the issue. So simply close this, click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Now here, let us search for Chrome. Type Chrome. Click on these three dots and then select Uninstall and then uninstall once again. Click on also delete your browsing data, or you can also uncheck this if you do not like. Click on uninstall. Once done, close this. Then open another browser, which is the Microsoft Edge browser, the built-in browser of your Windows. And type here Google Chrome download. Hit enter. You'll find this first option, www.google.com, Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built to be yours. Click on that. It's from www.google.com/Chrome/. Now you have to click on this download Chrome and the setup file will be downloaded. So let's just wait for this to be fully downloaded into our Windows. So once this is downloaded, you just have to simply double click on it and close this window. In here, this will download the Chrome browser for you. So once done downloading, this will install the browser. The download is complete. This will just install. So here, the Google Chrome browser has been downloaded or reinstalled again into your Windows. So just simply maximize this and then click on sign in. Now let me type my email. Click on OK. I'll click on next by the way. In here, just type your password. Click on next. No, let me scroll down and click on got it. In here, you can just simply enjoy your Google Chrome browser. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.